Welcome to the Enphase Homeowner Video Series. When you decide to go solar, you're making the decision to put a power plant on your roof. How do you select the safest solution? Enphase provides your family with the safest solar technology available today. In this video, we'll show you how. There are two types of electricity. Houses use alternating current, or AC electricity. Your refrigerator, your washer, and your TV all run on AC. Even your gas appliances usually have an AC ignition. By contrast, solar panels produce direct current, or DC electricity. This DC must be converted to AC before it can be used by your home. That's the job of the inverters in your solar system. Old and traditional style inverters require that solar panels be electrically wired together, creating high-voltage DC lines on the rooftop. This high-voltage DC runs across your roof or through conduit in your attic and walls. This might come as a shock, no pun intended, but until Enphase came along, all solar electric systems were built in this way, with solar panels wired together with high-voltage DC in their systems. Why is this important? DC is inherently more dangerous than AC. DC, as the name implies, delivers a continuous stream of electricity, which is hard to stop in a high-voltage DC line if wires come apart or are accidentally cut. Since the current is continuous and voltage constant, it can jump the gap and spark a fire. AC, by contrast, alternates around a point of zero voltage, a point at which the fire cannot be fed. A faulty AC wire is much better at limiting the spark, so firefighters don't have to. Enphase addresses and corrects the risk posed by high-voltage DC by converting the DC to AC at each panel, so that all wiring from your solar that runs across your roof or through your house is AC wiring, no different than the wiring for a light circuit or an appliance outlet. Why would you want to add high-voltage DC with its risks and dangers to the house where you and your family live? With Enphase, you get all the benefits of solar in a safe AC solution. By addressing one of the biggest shortcomings of old solar inverter technologies, Enphase changed the architecture of solar and increased its safety for everyone. Now you know, Enphase is the safe choice for solar. To learn more, visit our video page at enphase.com/homeownervideos.